something to steal.
Yeah, very good. What's your name?
Fabziy.
Fabziy.
Fabs. You?
Bucky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice Christmas jumper, don't we?
Yeah.
Hey Neil, my brother. Merry Christmas, where you come, man, yeah? Bless up yourself, man, yeah? Nice talking to you, man, yeah? Man, you know what, man. Take care, man. Let's go around and see the boys, yeah?
Where do you sleep?
Well, I have to just pick a spot, mate. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna pick a spot.
You're welcome to stay here.
Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah, man. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah, anytime, man.
Yeah.
He's a good friend, man.
Yeah. Tea. Yeah, man. Hey, boys. Merry Christmas, though, man. I'll see you around, yeah? Respect and love, yeah?
Mate, you'll send me up there.
Respect and love. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Living here, never had a bad thing happen.
Yeah. Alright, mate. Hey, I'm Fabs anyway, so.
Folks,
Merry Christmas, Bruce, yeah?
Merry Christmas.
Enough love, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, God bless you.
Yo, I'll tell you from now, yo, this street full with homeless people. It's unbelievable. Like, literally pick a spot. It's mad. They literally line the street. Got this geezer right here. What's planning to sleep here tonight? Don't sleep here.
Sleep. Sainsbury's.
Sainsbury's.
Yeah.
It's safer there.
There's more people there.
More people. Okay.
But we're not safe here.
But if I sleep on there, people
No,
rob.
no.
Okay. Okay, then, man. Merry Christmas, Father. Yeah.
Merry Christmas to you and
Happy New Year as well. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, this is it. Beautiful London. Merry Christmas, guys. So yeah, I survived it. Last night was tough, I do have to say. You know, because for me, I know I got somewhere to go to, and that's the difference. But for a lot of them in there, as we see, like last night, before I went to bed, but before I went to sleep, was like maybe 18 of them. And then this morning I woke up, I walked past easily, and looking at maybe 35 to 40 taps. You know what I mean? That's absolutely crazy. You know what I mean? For this to be happening in London, on that level. And this is something where you just have to experience yourself. You know what I mean? It's okay. It's all good and well when the news come and speak about it a bit, and then everyone forget like the next day or two. So it is hard because a lot of them as well, they travel with their clothes, and they have like 2-3 bags. Just trying to stay warm, like warm kit, because they have nowhere else to put it. So, I feel just mind-blowing, absolute mind-blowing, and sad at the same time. Trust me, I wouldn't like to see my enemy go through something like that, And even this lady last night, I was offering her a blanket, she didn't even hesitate one bit, she took it straight away. But there's quite a few guys that I realized just walking up and down the corridor, just literally just maybe either selling drugs or just trying to cause trouble, so I was constantly on the ball, couldn't really relax as much as I wanted to, Christmas Day, guys, homeless in London, first time ever I've done something like this, on Christmas Day, so this is something I definitely will remember, and yeah, it's absolutely sad. And as well I said as well, I know I got somewhere to go to, but these guys, you know what I mean, they don't have nowhere to go to, you know. Tomorrow's gonna be the same thing for them again. It's like, when I was there, I know that for sure that, you know what I mean, I'm saying, oh, I'm going home tomorrow, which I know sound shit, you know, but, you know, let's face it, you know what I mean, I know I'm going home tomorrow. You know, with them lot, you know, they have nowhere to go to, you know. The hostels are closed, and if you want to go into the hostels, as what I said before, you know what I mean, you have to get referred to go in the hostels. So that's another shit thing again, you know what I mean? And that's something I didn't even know until yesterday. So, yeah. It's crazy, beautiful city of London, and in one little venue we have roughly about 40 people, you know what I mean, and God's know, you know what I mean, I drove past easily maybe 60 or more, you know what I mean, just coming here. So guys, I do have to say guys, remember, don't take things for granted, you know, and treat people with respect, because you never know, you might end up in a scenario like that guys, yeah, and yeah. I know, man. I know. It's just, you know, just absolutely mad talking to you now about it. But as well I said, you know, I wouldn't tell you to try it in London because it's dangerous, and trust me, it is dangerous. I came across some things where I really don't want to talk about. But on another note, though, I said this is an experience where I won't forget. You know, and yeah, on Christmas Day, guys. It's mad. But anyway, guys, have a Merry Christmas again, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Yeah? Peace.